Hello, children, and welcome back to mathematics class for class 7. We will be continuing with chapter 11, perimeter and area. Now, in the last class, we have learned about the different formulae and the concept behind how the formula is formed. Now, let's move on to the exercise. Now, to begin with, please turn to page number 208 on your textbook. So, exercise 11.1. 11.1. Let me read the first question. The first question reads, the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. So a rectangular piece of land is given and they have given us one side as 500 and the other side as 300 meter respectively, means in this manner. Okay, so find one, its area, and 2, the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. We'll come to that later. First, let's look at the first part. Now, to find the area, we have to know the formula. So the formula is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Do not forget area of a rectangle. Okay, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here we know this is your length and this is your breadth. Since it is already mentioned rectangular piece of land, so opposite side is same, opposite side is same. Okay, so we have length into breadth. In place of L we will write 500. In place of B we will write 300. Okay, children, so since we have both the values of length and breadth, we simply multiply. 5 into 3 is 15 and there are 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, so I'm going to put like this, and it is in meters. So we have already learned for area the unit is always in square. Okay, children, so this is how you multiply. Short, 5 into 3 is 15, 4 zeros, you put the zeros here. Okay, let's move on to the next part of the question. Find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. For example, let's say that this is 1 meter square. Okay, this part. Let's say this is 1 meter square. Now, if this much costs rupees 10,000, how much will the total cost be? Okay, so we will write like this: cost of 1,500, sorry, 1,50,000 meter square of land is equal to 150,000 into, for 1 meter square it is 10,000. So we have 1,50,000 meter square. So we'll multiply these two and simply multiply. 15 into 1 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And rupees. Okay. So this is the first part. Second part of the first question. So this is how you find the area and the cost. Question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Now here we have already given perimeter. The perimeter is already given and it is given as 320 meter. So perimeter of a square park. Right, perimeter of a square park is given as 320 meter. That means the total distance is 320 meter. Now they are asking us to find the area of this square park, but no side is given, only the perimeter is given. So we already know that perimeter of a square park, okay, perimeter of a square park is 4 into side. All right, this formula is 4 into side. 320 we already know. So side I will keep as it is. 320. This 4 will come on the other side, divide, okay? 4, 1. So therefore, your side is equal to 80 meter. All right? So when you divide 320 by 4, you get 80. All right, children? So this is the first part. We know the length now, or we can say the side, okay? We know the side now. Therefore, area of square park. Now for area of a square, we know that it is side square, right? So here we have side is 80 square. So 80, if you multiply 2 times, 8 into 8 is 64, 2 zeros, so 0. So I will write 6,400 meters square. Okay, 6,400 meters square. So this is the area of the square park. Let's move on to the next question. The next question reads, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land. Rectangular plot of land is given, and if its area is 440 meters square, that means this area is 440 meter square, and the length is 22 meter, and length is given 22 meter. Okay, we don't know this. Also find its perimeter. So we are asked to find this breadth and the perimeter. Okay, first we will find the breadth, then we'll find the perimeter. Okay, children? So let's begin. In the question is given area of rectangular plot. It's already given as 440 meters square, right? We know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now, here already length is given. This is your length, okay? L, 22. So in place of L, I will write 22 into B. We do not know, so we will keep as it is. Now this B will be as it is. This 22 we will take on the other side. Since here it is multiply, if you take it on the other side, it will become divide. Okay? And this 440 will be the numerator. So here we can cancel 22 into 1, 22 into 20. Okay? Therefore, your breadth you will get as 20. All right? When you cancel this, you will get 20 meter. So you have your breadth as 20 meter. The second part of the question is, we are asked to find the perimeter. So we found this. To find the perimeter of rectangle, let's do it here. Perimeter of rectangle, we already know the formula, twice of length plus breadth. So twice length, it's already given in the question. Breadth we found out just now. All right, so 20. So it will be 2 into 22 plus 20 is nothing but 42. If you multiply this, 2 into 2 is 4, 84 meter. So your perimeter is 84 meter. That means when you add all the sides, all the 4 sides, you will get 84. Okay, children? So that is the question number 4. Question number 5 is also similar. So I'm going to, question number 3. Question number 4 is also similar. So I'm going to skip it. We will move on to the next question. Now in this class, we may not be able to finish all the different problems, but we will try to cover as many different types of problems as possible, okay? Now, 4 and 5 are almost similar to 3, where different area parameters given, you have to find the length and breadth, okay? So let's move on to the next question. That is question number 6, okay? Question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Let's say this is the wire. It is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent, again, this same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, okay? The same wire, I'm using this same wire and making it into a square. What will be the measure of each side? That means, now, if this same wire is used here, what will the sides, the measure of each side be? Also, find which shape encloses more area. After finding out this side, we have to find out whether this is bigger than this or this bigger than this. Okay, we have to measure which is bigger, which is smaller. All right, so to begin with, the first part is length is given. Length is how much? 40 centimeter. Your breadth is given 22 centimeter. Now, if you look at these two, the wire used here is the same as the wire used here. All right? So the perimeter means the total length of this is equal to this. Okay? Because the same wire is being used to make a rectangle, this wire again is being used to make a square. All right? So we can say that perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. All right. So for perimeter of rectangle, we know we know the formula. Twice of length plus breadth. Perimeter of square, that means 4 into side. All right. So here we know already given length is 40 plus breadth is 22 is equal to 4 into side. Now the question is we have to find the side. Therefore, we will solve this. 2 into this will become 84. Sorry, 64. I'm so sorry. This will be 62. I'm sorry. 4 into side. Now, 2 into 62, you will take it as it is. This 4 will come on the other side. It will go down as denominator and side. So let me continue here. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Again, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3, 2 into 1. So we are getting, therefore, side is equal to 31. It will be in centimeter. Okay, that means this is equal to 31 centimeter. So this is the first part. The side is equal to 31 centimeter. Now let's look at the second part of the question. So the second part of the question is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. It is 40 into 22. When you multiply 40 into 22, 0808, you're getting 880. That means 880 meter square. Again, area of square. We just found out the side. So here we know that it is side square, right? So this side square is nothing but 31 square. 31 square is nothing but 31 into 31. If you multiply 31 two times, 1 into 1, 1 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So we are getting 961. That means 961 meter square. So by finding the area for both of them, we can observe that the area bounded by this square is bigger than area of rectangle. See, area of rectangle is 880. Area of square is 961. So we can write, therefore, area of square is bigger. Okay, so with this we come to the end of the question. Let's look at the last question for this class. So the question reads like this. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also, find the area of the rectangle. So the question, in the question it is given perimeter of rectangle, and it is given as 130 centimeter, right? And breadth is given as 30 centimeter. Now we know perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Perimeter of rectangle is already given, 130 is equal to 2 into L, we do not know, B is given 30. So 130 is equal to 2 into sorry, I will take this 2 this side and L plus 30. So 2 into 1, 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 5. Let's continue this side. 65 is equal to L plus 30. So if I take 30 on this side, 65 minus 30. So therefore, I'm getting L is equal to 35. 65 minus 30 is 35. It's in centimeter. Now I know the length. The second part of the question is also find the area of the rectangle. So therefore, area of rectangle is simply length into breadth. So I have length is 35, breadth is 30. So when I multiply these two, 35 into 30, if I multiply 0, 0, 3, 5, 15, 3, 3, 9. So I'm getting 1050 centimeter square. So with this, we come to the end of this exercise. The rest of the questions are very similar to each other. So whatever we have solved today, please practice this at home and try to solve this using the same type, the same formulae, the same method to solve other questions also. So with this, we come to the end of this class for today. I will see you again very soon in the next class. We'll continue with the exercises from 11.2 onwards. So I'll see you next time. Please take care. Take care. Bye bye.